Hello South Africa. ANC goes after Dlamini-Zuma over absence at Mkhwebane vote. Minister Nkosazana Dlamini-Zuma could soon find herself in trouble with the African National Congress, ANC, after she was a no-show in the National Assembly during the vote to suspend Public Protector Busisiwe Mkhwebane. A total of 318 MPs voted in favor of the motion to remove Mkhwebane, but 43 were against the bid. Dlamini-Zuma was absent from those proceedings and gave no explanation as to why. ANC Chief Whip in Parliament, Phemi Majidina, says Nkosazana Dlamini-Zuma sent no letter of apology and will now be roping in the party's Secretary-General Michael Mbalula to demand that action be taken against her. While Dlamini-Zuma's stance on Busisiwe Mkhwebane's removal wasn't clear, the party had been vocal in its threats to take action against any MP who doesn't toe the party line. Just hours ahead of the vote, Majidina said any ANC MP voting to keep Mkhwebane in her job would be dealt with. If we are going to part ways with that person, we are going to do that. Every member of every political party toes the party line. They are going to toe the party line today, and if they don't, we are going to process them accordingly, she said. Dlamini-Zuma is already in hot water with the ANC after she defied party instructions by voting in support of the Failure report being adopted. We pay cash for videos. WhatsApp 060 011 021 1. This is Leah for the South African. Please subscribe for more news updates.